so I'm out here in Vegas now. You know how we got a beautiful area here. The sun is in, and I'm cooking my world famous Whitmore chicken. Now, I was able to do. Now, this is just what we do at the house. A lot of times people are cooking, and they have situations where they have just charcoal. And sometimes you don't have an opportunity to use the gas grill. The gas grill is definitely an advantage because it gives a consistent cook, and also you get consistent heat. But with this charcoal, the reason and I've been asked many times, why do I like this charcoal more than I do gas? Well, it's going to give you a flavor that the gas can't give you. The gas will just be gas. It will provide heat. But this charcoal is going to give you something right from the wood. It's a more natural movement, a more natural flavor. And you can play with hickory. You can discuss. They have some oak varieties. They have different hardwoods. Your hardwoods give you the flavor out of the charcoal. So what we're interested in doing here is just getting that nice cook into the chicken. I season my chicken. I use our special Mojo. That's the sauce before the sauce, and I put it on this chicken with the charcoal, and I got smoke going all over the place. And oh my goodness, I'm going to get some incredible flavor. So what y'all need to do, I'm going to continue to cook here for a minute, and on the next segment, I'm going to show y'all how this stuff turned out just incredibly great. Okay, so this is Vegas Vance. I'm in Vegas at somebody's house cooking it up. You see what I'm saying? I'll talk to you in a little while.